This video is for the data collection table on the official police report case number 1 lab activity. And in this activity, a victim was found deceased in the middle of the night, and the coroner has provided a sample of the victim's stomach contents, which we've labeled evidence A. Our job is to determine where the victim last ate at because they think that is what caused his death. And so there's 3 options. It could be Luigi's Pizza, the T-Bone House, or the Smoothie King. And each one, based on their product, has different macromolecules to be expected. And so what we need to do is test the evidence A using our iodine, biuret solution, and paper bag to see if there's starch, proteins, and lipids. So first, I will get my test tubes and we'll put a little bit of evidence A into those. Okay, now that I got those, I'm gonna take my pipette to put a little bit into each. Okay, so let me grab some out of here. Put some into my first one. I'll use that one for iodine. I'll use this one for biuret. And I'll take a little bit to put onto my piece of paper to test for lipid. I'll set that to the side for a minute. So first, let me get my iodine. You can see it's kind of this yellowish white color, evidence A. Mix my iodine in, and immediately it turns a dark black color. And so, under observations on your paper, for iodine, which tests for starch, we observed that it turned black, which would be a positive result. So write black for your observation, plus or positive for your result. Now the biuret solution. You add that in. Again, this one can be kind of hard to see on the camera, but if I can focus on it, if I look down here, you can see a light pinkish purple color forming at the bottom, which, again, this is the biuret. It tests for protein. We'd write that we found a light purple color, which is a positive result. Then finally, we have our piece of paper, which we're going to hold up to the light again. Remember, if it's more translucent, see-through, that means there is lipid. If it's not, then there isn't lipid. So we hold it up, and we can see right through it. And so that means for our paper bag, which tests for lipids, we observed it became transparent or translucent, which is a positive result. Now, using that information, you're going to compare the different places and what to be expected in their food to determine which place did our victim last eat at, and then answer the claim, evidence, reason questions on the back of the paper.